In order to protect our Earth, the importance of developing new materials has been growing throughout the world. There is special equipment available to material R&D professionals to help with the product development process, and it functions like a time machine with regard to accelerating material weathering tests. Introducing the iSuper UV tester from Iwasaki, a weathering test chamber that can significantly reduce the duration of traditional weathering tests. Matt Eponius, Managing Director at Smart Microsystems, provides his commentary on their use of the iSuper UV tester.
One of the reasons it's important to test the materials with this particular SUV tester is because it accelerates the natural exposure to sunlight almost to the effect of 100 times. Again, what it does is it accelerates test cycle time.
The iSuper UV tester reproduces the equivalent effects of 1 year of outdoor exposure in as little as 4 days. It can produce results equivalent to those obtained from a standard xenon tester in 1/10 of the required time. The iSuper UV tester will significantly reduce product development time, thereby enhancing your competitiveness. Mark Alessandro, Global R&D Durability Engineering Manager at Avery Dennison, contributed the following comments.
Having the ability to use the Super UV and reproduce light energies that would typically take 6-7 months, we can now reproduce that in a few weeks. Being able to run through several iterations of formulations now in maybe a maximum of 1 or 2 months versus years has completely changed the landscape for R&D and new product development.
The iSuper UV tester may be programmed to run various irradiation and test conditions and produces results that correlate to outdoor and xenon tester weathering. The iSuper UV tester is widely recognized for its ability to accelerate product development by reducing weathering test time. There are many iSuper UV testers in Japan, and their use is growing globally.
Since the Super UV includes the total UV spectrum, we know the high rate of acceleration, the higher radiance of 1500 watt per meter squared across the full 300 to 400 nanometer UV range. We can correlate that to real life aging outdoors, where we'll see the same type of numbers reported for total UV ranges. And then it gives us a tool to use for service life prediction, comparing how much energy in a few weeks in the Super UV to several years of that same energy outdoors in Florida, Arizona, or other benchmark climates.
Mark Alessandro has presented on the correlation of metal halide testers to outdoor and xenon methods at the Polymer Testing and Analysis Conference and other venues. And this has helped create awareness and interest in this technology in North America and Europe. In addition to Japan, Iwasaki has Asian sales offices in China, Thailand, Singapore, and in Mentor, Ohio for North America and Europe. Iwasaki covers the world. Iwasaki also has test lab facilities around the world to further support the development of new materials globally.
Typically, customers come to Smart Microsystems to use the SUV basically because we have the capability. So in the case where they need the test done, or they're working with an experimental material and they want to understand how to correlate the test with some of the other standard tests that are out there. Yeah, of late we've been doing a lot of materials for automotive applications, so sealants and adhesives that are used on automobiles.
Iwasaki Super UV tester has contributed to the acceleration of new material product development across the globe, and our customers have realized many additional benefits from its use as a weather testing tool.